Have you ever wondered, when we get to heaven, will we recognize our loved ones? Will we see our parents, our children, our spouse, or dear friends who've gone before us? This is one of the most asked and most comforting questions about eternity. And the Bible gives us some beautiful, reassuring answers. So stay with me, because today we're going to uncover the truth about family in heaven. What the Bible shows us. Let us start with the Old Testament. When King David lost his infant son, he said these words, "I will go to him, but he will not return to me." 2 Samuel 12:23. David believed that he would one day be reunited with his child. That's hope, rooted in God's promise. In the New Testament, we see another powerful moment, the transfiguration of Jesus. Moses and Elijah appeared and spoke with him on the mountain. And the disciples who had never seen them before immediately recognized them. This shows us something very important. In eternity, our identity remains. We are still us. The Apostle Paul also gives comfort to believers. In 1 Thessalonians 4:17-18, he says, "We will be with the Lord forever. Therefore encourage one another with these words." Notice Paul doesn't picture heaven as a place where we're alone or faceless. He speaks of togetherness, reunion, encouragement. What will change? Now, some people wonder about Jesus' words in Matthew 22:30, where he said that in heaven people neither marry nor are given in marriage. Does that mean we won't know our husband, our wife, or our children? The answer is no, it doesn't mean that at all. What Jesus was showing is that earthly marriage, with all its beauty and struggles, will be surpassed by something far greater, a perfect union with God and with one another. We will still know each other. We will still love each other. But that love will be free of pain, jealousy, and loss. It will be stronger, deeper, and eternal. The comfort of this promise. Maybe you've lost someone you love. A parent, a child, a spouse, a close friend. And your heart aches with that emptiness. Hear this. The separation you feel right now is only temporary. In Christ, there is the sure promise of reunion. In heaven, you will know your loved ones and together you will share joy that nothing can ever take away. Revelation 21:4 gives us this picture. He will wipe away every tear from their eyes. There will be no more death, or mourning, or crying, or pain, for the old order of things has passed away. That's God's promise for his family. So, will we know each other in heaven? Yes. Absolutely yes. But our relationships will be perfected, expanded, and glorified beyond anything we can imagine. Heaven is not a place of lost memories, it's the fulfillment of God's promise that love never ends. Let me ask you, who are you looking forward to seeing again in heaven? I'd love to hear your story. Share it in the comments below. And if this message brought you comfort today, Would you take a moment to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs hope? Thank you for watching, and remember, this life is not the end. In Christ, the best is yet to come.